The P0171 diagnostic trouble code is one of the most common issues Ford owners encounter. This code specifically means System 2 Lean Bank 1, indicating your engine has too much air and not enough fuel in the combustion mixture. To understand this problem, we need to know about the ideal air-fuel ratio. For optimal combustion, engines need exactly 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel. This is called the stoichiometric ratio and is critical for proper engine performance and emissions control. Your engine's computer, called the PCM or Powertrain Control Module, constantly monitors this air-fuel mixture using oxygen sensors. These sensors are strategically placed in the exhaust system to measure the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. When the PCM detects a lean condition, it tries to compensate by adding more fuel to restore the proper mixture. However, if the PCM has to add more than 25% above normal fuel delivery, it triggers the P0171 code as a warning that something is wrong. The most common causes of P0171 codes fall into three main categories. First, vacuum leaks are responsible for about 40 to 50% of cases. These can be cracked vacuum hoses, faulty intake manifold gaskets, or damaged PCV system components. The second major cause is mass airflow sensor problems, accounting for 20 to 25% of P0171 codes. The MAF sensor can become contaminated with dirt and oil or fail completely, causing incorrect air measurement readings. The third common cause is fuel system problems, responsible for 15 to 20% of cases. This includes clogged fuel injectors, weak fuel pumps, or restricted fuel filters that prevent adequate fuel delivery to the engine. Understanding what the P0171 code means and its common causes gives you a solid foundation for diagnosis. By knowing that vacuum leaks are the most frequent culprit, followed by MAF sensor and fuel system issues, you can approach troubleshooting systematically and efficiently. The first step in diagnosing P0171 is a thorough visual inspection. Start by examining vacuum hoses and air intake components for obvious damage. Next, use an OBD scan tool to check for additional trouble codes and review freeze frame data. This provides crucial context about when and how the code was triggered. Vacuum leaks cause nearly half of all P0171 codes. A smoke test is the most effective method to locate these leaks, as smoke will escape from any cracks or loose connections. The mass airflow sensor is responsible for measuring incoming air. Test it by checking voltage readings at idle and various RPMs. If contaminated, clean it with specialized MAF cleaner. Evaluate the fuel system by testing fuel pressure, which should typically be 30 to 45 psi for most Ford models. Also check fuel injector operation and overall system performance. Repair costs vary significantly depending on the root cause. Simple fixes like replacing a vacuum hose cost only $20 to $50, while major repairs like fuel pump replacement can cost $300 to $600. Prevention is key to avoiding P0171 codes. Replace your air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, inspect vacuum hoses annually, and use quality fuel with detergent additives to keep your fuel system clean.